Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to accessibility or display. Don't stop to tweak other options. Select color filter or color correction now. This is the control center. Choose a preset that roughly matches your goal. For example, grayscale for distraction-free viewing or red/green for color blindness support. Once done, make sure to toggle the filter on so you see immediate changes. This confirms the system is using the new profile and avoids guessing. Once the preset is active, adjust intensity with the slider to set how strong the effect appears. Small changes matter. If available, open Custom Filter to change hue, saturation, and contrast. This lets you tailor the screen to lighting and task. Make sure to preview changes on a sample image or the app you use most. Doing so ensures text remains legible and colors don't break workflows. If you're happy, save the profile and name it for quick recall. To finish, assign a shortcut or quick toggle so you can enable the filter instantly when needed. This saves time and preserves your settings. Test the filter across multiple apps and in bright versus dim lighting to confirm readability and comfort. If colors look off or contrast breaks, reset to default and start a lighter adjustment. Use the reset as a baseline. One key troubleshooting tip: if a filter doesn't apply system-wide, check app-specific accessibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.